Good morning, everyone. Good morning. So, students, today we are concluding this chapter. This will be the last class of this chapter. Okay, and I'm taking one of the illustrations. All right. We have discussed all the adjustments till now, and today I'm taking one complete comprehensive question, which is including some of the adjustments. Okay, and you will come to know how to treat all these things. In fact, we have done one more question in between, right? So let's take one more. So I'm taking illustration number 21. Okay, that's given on page number 22.59. Those who are staying at home, you should also open your book and just watch how we are doing. So we have to go through the illustration properly, as yesterday you have watched the trailer. If we commit mistake or carelessness, so our question can be wrong in that situation. So the following is the trial balance of Shri C.R. Ram as at 31st March 2020. Prepare trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet from the same. Okay. So the important thing, the first and foremost thing to have notice on which date your year is going to be ended. So this is going to be ended on 31st March 2020, not 31st December. Okay. So sometimes they can give 31st December also in the question. In fact, our financial year according to Income Tax Act, that your financial year ends on 31st March, of course. But here, these are the questions, okay? Depends upon your question paper, what do they give? Always take care. Then we have trial balance, debit side and credit side is given, okay? And you should check either, sometime they can do this also. Either their debit and credit is equal or not. Sometime they can do that also, okay? If they want to check your mental level. If your trial balance is not equal, so first you should arrange that, as we have learned in the trial balance chapter, okay? Maybe some items are here and there, just look for that, and if it is still not telling, then suspense account can be created. The chances are very bleak that in this chapter you get this kind of situation. Okay, chances बहुत कम है कि इस चैप्टर में इस तरह का कुछ आपको मिले, but still you should be vigilant and pay attention on this point. Okay, now we have the adjustments. Always go through the adjustments first. Why? Because when I go through the adjustment, I'll be knowing, when I go through the trial balance, so I'll be knowing in advance that rent, so there is some adjustments regarding the rent, so you can do the work right in time. All right. So we have a closing stock as usual, it's given. Then goods costing rupees 5,000 were sent to a customer on sale or approval basis. Okay, so you should be clear that sale on approval basis means sales में आपको कुछ adjustment करना है. Clear? Then we have, okay, amount is given. Then make a provision for doubtful debts at 5% on debtors. Right? आपको provision बनाना है debtors पे. And then 1/5 of the loose tools are to be written off this year. Written off means kind of depreciation you have to provide on the loose tools. Then general manager is to be allowed a commission of 5% on net profit. The important point is what? Before charging such commission, either before charging or after charging. So in this question they have given before charging. Okay, before पढ़ते ही क्या आया mind में? This is the simple one, right? Means 5/100. Okay, now we have to start doing the question. So let us start from this place. So this is your trading and profit and loss account. It's your debit side, and this is your credit side, right? So first we have material purchased, okay, and then we have administration expenses, wages, freight, rent, so and so. I'm looking for opening stock. Do we have opening stock given in the question? Just look for that, students. Help me to do the question, so you will be with me and you will understand better. All right, just look for the items. If I commit some mistake or I forget any item, so you will remind me. Are you getting my point? Those who are not having the book, don't worry, they should be careful what we are doing. Okay, so do we have opening stock, students? No, we don't have. Do we have? No. Okay, then we start the question with purchases. I've just told you in the starting, quite page number 59. Okay, so purchases we have mentioned. Now the next step is what? Look for the purchase return. कि कोई purchase return है हमारे पास? देखिए, just help me everyone, look for that. Purchase return है? नहीं है. Okay, all right, then what to do? We will write the purchases here, 115725. Okay, be careful students regarding the mistakes. Love, you are not suitable here. Stand up from here. Sit with Gagan. Now next one is administration expenses. आएगा इधर? Hello, administration expenses, no. Then wages. Okay, how much wages are there? 42,775. Then we have freight. It's 5,100. Okay, then rent won't come here. Debtors, gift, so and so, commission, mortgage, loose tools, investment, plant, furniture, nothing. Wait. The point which we are doing, just focus on that. Each and every point will be discussed. Just quiet please. No sound in the class. Then we have sales and outstanding wages, creditors, capital, so and so. We have a sale. Okay. Sales किधर का item है? Credit का. How much sales are there? 10,000. Why did I write inside? Because we have certain adjustment. Now look for the adjustment, students. Adjustment number 2. Goods costing rupees 5,000 were sent to a customer. Pay attention. बेटा आवाज नहीं. Goods costing rupees 5,000 were sent to a customer on sale on approval basis for rupees 6,400. जो goods आपने भेजी हैं उसकी cost कितनी थी? 5,000. और कितने में? Cost पे तो नहीं बेचते ना? We charge something else. We add our margin. Okay. Sorry. So this is 6,400 में आपने सेल के लिए बेचा था, आपने मार्जिन लगा के दिया. On 29th March 2020 and had been recorded in the books as actual sale. और आपने गलती से क्या किया? इसको actual sale record कर लिया. ठीक है? तो still you didn't get approval, so it is not your sale. You have committed mistake. What to do? जब ये sales नहीं है तो आप क्या करेंगे? Sales में से minus कर देंगे. How much? 5,000 या 6,400? Why is it so? Because cost नहीं, सेल प्राइस में तो सेल का जो प्राइस अमाउंट है वो इंक्लूड होगा. तो 6,400 would be reducing from here. Just check the calculation. Okay. Now, yes, this is one place, and what is the another place? Debtors में से माइनस करेंगे जब हम बैलेंस शीट बनाएंगे. ठीक है. And another one, its cost was 5,000 and we have sold at 6,400 stand on the approval basis. तो 5,000 जब आपका ये सेल नहीं है, आपके डेटर्स भी कम हो गए, तो गुड्स हैव कम बैक टू यू, राइट? तो आपको वो अपनी गुड्स रिकॉर्ड करनी है. ठीक है. How much closing stock is given to you in the question? That is 20,000 plus 6,400 goods 5,000. क्यों 6,400? Yes, क्लोजिंग स्टॉक आपका कॉस्ट पे वैल्यू होता है. ओके, क्लोजिंग स्टॉक आपका कॉस्ट पे वैल्यू होता है. तो आपका 5,000 की गुड्स वापस आई है कॉस्ट की, तो वो आपने क्लोजिंग स्टॉक में ऐड कर दिया. एंड इसका सेकंड इफेक्ट कहाँ पड़ेगा? बैलेंस शीट में जब आप क्लोजिंग स्टॉक दिखाएंगे वहां पे. इज दैट क्लियर? तो दोनों का एक एक इफेक्ट यहाँ पे आ गया है, बाकी दोनों इफेक्ट आपके कहाँ जाएंगे? बैलेंस शीट में जाएंगे. राइट. नाउ यू हैव, डू वी हैव एनी अदर आइटम ऑफ दिस trading? No. This outstanding wages, students remember, although we have discussed but still I'm telling you, अगर आपको कोई outstanding expenses adjustment में दे रखा है तो वो 2 जगह जाता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे आपको ट्रायल में दे रखा है तो एक जगह जाएगा. ठीक है। आउटस्टैंडिंग वेजेस क्या है, आपकी लायबिलिटी है, क्योंकि ये ऑलरेडी एडजस्टेड है, तो दिस विल बी शोन इन द लायबिलिटी साइड ऑफ अ बैलेंस शीट। क्लियर? नाउ वी डोंट हैव एनी अदर आइटम अकॉर्डिंग टू माय व्यू, पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, so let's do the total and we won't waste the time to do the total. Let's have a cheating from the book. This is 228 600. Just quiet please. Now in this situation when you do the total, so definitely this side is less by how much? This is 65,000. Is that clear how I have done? Yes ma'am. You do the total of both the sides in the graph, you will find this side is less by 65,000. That means your income is more, expenses are less, so you have a gross profit, right? So this is your gross profit carried down, or you can say the gross profit transfer to P&L account. So here we have taken this gross profit brought down or transferred from the trading account. All right, how much? 65,000. Now students, pay attention. This 65,000 rupees is available with me. This is in my business and I have to do some more expenses, indirect expenses. वो सारे expenses करने के बाद जो मेरे पास बचता है वो क्या होगा? आपका net profit. Means हर तरह के expenses करने के बाद जो बचता है उसे आप net profit बोलेंगे. All right. So let's have a look on the expenses. Wages नहीं आएगा, freight नहीं आएगा. We have taken now rent. Okay. Yes, the starting is administrative expenses. This is 16,725, and I think we don't have any adjustment of this. Now we have rent. Rent की कोई adjustment है? Help me please. Rent की adjustment है, देख के बताएं. All right. Now we have petty cash आपका बैलेंस शीट में जाएगा, डेटर्स वहाँ जाएंगे. Now gift to wife. Everyone please pay attention. गिफ्ट टू वाइफ, क्या ये बिजनेस की लायबिलिटी है? बिजनेस की लायबिलिटी नहीं है. दिस इज प्योरली पर्सनल एक्सपेंसेस. गुड, ये आपका पर्सनल एक्सपेंसेस है, ड्राइंग है. एंड व्हाट आई हैव टोल्ड यू, अगर एडजस्टमेंट में ड्राइंग हो तो दो जगह आएगा, ट्रायल में कोई भी चीज है तो एक जगह आएगी. तो आपका ड्राइंग, दिस दे हैव गिवन टू टेस्ट योर नॉलेज इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग द वर्ड ड्राइंग. ठीक है, आपकी नॉलेज टेस्ट करने के लिए दिया है कि गिफ्ट टू वाइफ क्या चीज है? इट्स ड्राइंग. ओके, ट्रायल में है एक जगह, कौन सी जगह आएगा? डायरेक्ट कैपिटल में से माइनस हो जाएगा. अंडरस्टूड दैट? सो विल ट्रीट लेटर ऑन. नाउ वी हैव प्राइस डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड, इट इज एक्सपेंसेस. प्राइस distributed, how much? It's 200. Then we have commission paid. Any adjustment? You are responsible for the adjustments. Just have a look. Commission paid is okay. It is 1,000. Okay. All right. And then they have given commission paid in advance. So one may get confused कि commission paid in advance है तो उसमें से minus कर दूँ. No. Why? It is given in the trial balance, so this will come at one place only. Okay, so this is what commission paid in advance. आपने advance में दे दिया तो ये क्या आपकी assets है. Okay, next we have mortgage interest. Mortgage क्या होता है? Mortgage किसी assets को mortgage करना, गिरवी करना बैंक के पास या कहीं भी, तो उस पे आपने interest गिरवी करना किसी चीज को. ठीक है, तो this is mortgage interest. Then we have loose tools. Loose tools is what? This is your assets item. Investment assets, plant, furniture, leasehold property, patents, depreciation on furniture, and suspense account. Depreciation on furniture is given 800, and that you will be directly doing that. Yes, please. Depreciation on furniture, if again the same thing, pay attention please. If it is given in the adjustment, then we have to show at two places. P&L में दिखाएंगे और आप assets में से माइनस करेंगे. लेकिन अगर आपको डेप्रिसिएशन ट्रायल में दे रखा है तो दिस विल गो एट वन प्लेस, एंड इट मीन्स दे हैव ऑलरेडी एडजस्टेड. जैसे बेड डेट्स का हमने किया था ना, बेड डेट्स दिया है, इसका मतलब डेटर्स में से ऑलरेडी माइनस किया हुआ है. तो ऐसे ही अगर आपको डेप्रिसिएशन ऑन फर्नीचर दिया है तो दे हैव रिड्यूस्ड फ्रॉम द वैल्यू ऑफ फर्नीचर एंड वी विल बी शोइंग इन द P&L. ठीक है, Depreciation on furniture. How much is this?
800.
800. Now we have one more adjustment which is telling about this depreciation. Point number 4. 1/5 of loose tools are to be written off this year. It means written off means उसको depreciate कर रहे हैं. How much loose tools are given? It's of 5,000. Loose tools 5,000 के हैं. 1/5 you are writing off. 1/5 means 1,000 rupees. So depreciation on total depreciation of this year is 1,800. Okay. Yes. Now you have credit side sales, outstanding wages, creditor, capital, bank, loan on mortgage, income from investment. आएगा ना? Will do. Income from investment. It's 925. Okay. Is that clear, students? यहाँ तक clear है? ठीक है. तो हमने sort out कर लिए all the points we have taken of this trial balance. Now have a look on the adjustments. Closing stock. Okay. Now goods costing, this we have done. Make a provision. Third point. Make a provision for doubtful debts at 5% on debtors. This is very simple. Okay. As we don't have bad debts given in the trial balance. Trial balance में bad debts नहीं दे रखे. पुराना provision दे रखा है क्या? नहीं दे रखा. Old provision you will find in the credit side. Do we have? No provision is there. And do we have further bad debts? क्या further bad debts है? नहीं है. ठीक है? Hello? Further bad debts भी नहीं है. ठीक है? तो आपको क्या दे रखा है? Debtors देखो कितने दे रखे हैं? Debtors are of 36,400. क्वेश्चन में आपको दिया है डेटर्स 36,400 के हैं. क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि प्रोवाइड मेक अ प्रोविजन ऑफ 5% ऑन डेटर्स. व्हाट कम्स? चेक द कैलकुलेशन. 1820. राइट, दिस इज योर प्रोविजन. Provision for bad and doubtful debts. This is 1820. Okay. Let us see. Yes, they are right. We have missed one point, students. Provision for bad and doubtful debts we have created on the normal debtors, but we forgot this point. We have committed one mistake. What is that, students? Your debtors, pay attention. 36,400. Okay. हमने सेल ऑन अप्रूवल बेसिस किया था, याद है आपको? So we have reduced 6,400 from the sales, and we have discussed there only that this amount we have to reduce from the debtors also. So we will pass. We will post it later on in the balance sheet, because right now we have to complete our profit and loss account. So let us do in the working note. Okay, 36,400 minus 6,400. So this is your 30,000, and now we will make provision. So this is 1,500. Means we make the provision on debtors after reducing everything. Yes, please. If we have any bad debts ट्रायल में है, प्लीज पे अटेंशन. ट्रायल में है तो वो ऑलरेडी एडजस्टेड है. फर्दर बैड डेट्स है तो आप माइनस करेंगे. एंड आई थिंक वन पॉइंट डिड नॉट कम इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. लेट मी टेल यू, अगर आपको कोई फर्दर डिस्काउंट दे रखा है एडजस्टमेंट में, आर यू गेटिंग स्टूडेंट्स? फर्दर डिस्काउंट दे रखा है बैड डेट्स की तरह, तो वो भी आप माइनस करेंगे, उसके बाद प्रोविजन बनेगा. ओके, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट कि आपने सेल ऑन अप्रूवल बेसिस पे था, वो एडजस्ट करना है, तो वो डेटर्स में से माइनस करके फिर आप बनाएंगे. क्लियर? So this is your 1,500, right? Okay. Now what else? That's good that you are vigilant and you have taken care. And provision हो गया. Then 1/5 loose tool we have done. Now the last, but it's not least, that is what? General manager's commission. Take care of any other adjustment. Either we have dealt with all the adjustments. Okay. Now general manager is to be allowed a commission of 5% on net profit before charging his commission. जनरल मैनेजर को क्या देना है, 5% कमीशन देना है। किस पे देना है, नेट प्रॉफिट पर देना है, आफ्टर और बिफोर चार्जिंग, राइट। तो नॉर्मल, ओके। नाउ व्हाट टू डू, व्हाट वी विल बी डूइंग स्टूडेंट्स, वी विल बी टोटलिंग बोथ द साइड्स, एंड जो ज़्यादा होगा वो दोनों तरफ लिख देंगे, एंड जिस तरफ कम होगा वो आप लिख लेंगे। वी हैव 2 मेथड्स टू डू दैट। एक मेथड तो यही है आपका कि आप सीधा आपका नेट प्रॉफिट निकाल लेंगे और क्या लिखेंगे, नेट प्रॉफिट बिफोर चार्जिंग कमीशन, राइट। एंड आफ्टर दैट यू प्रोसीड विद दैट एंड यू प्रोवाइड कमीशन। एंड सेकेंड मेथड जो हमने उस दिन किया था क्लास में, कि आप इसको रफ में करेंगे एंड फर्स्ट यू प्रोवाइड द मैनेजर्स कमीशन एंड देन टेक आउट द net profit. Both the things are valid, okay. So to save the place, we don't have much space, okay. So we do what, we do the total, and here the total comes, it's 65,925, all right. So I have written 65,925. I hope you can do the calculation, okay. So managers commission, when we calculate, that is 2,000, and after dealing with the manager's commission you have a net profit. Net profit is how much, 38,000, all right. So although bell has rung, but still we will be taking balance sheet that day also, we have left. Yes everyone, so I'll take another 2 minutes to complete the balance sheet with your help. Yes please, balance sheet, okay. So what are the items? We have petty cash is 175. Then we have what? Debtors 36400 minus, have a look please, minus approval basis पे जो थी आपकी books. So this is 30,000 minus provision for bad and doubtful debts. Please be attentive. हाँ जी बोलो, बाद में डिस्कस करते हैं। अप्रूवल का मतलब कि वहाँ हमने कई बार डिस्कस किया ना, अप्रूवल बेसिस मीन्स आप लेके गए हैं किसी चीज़ को, अप्रूव करेंगे तो ही वो सेल मानी जाएगी। आप ये भी कह सकते हैं कि हमें नहीं चाहिए ये चीज़, ओके। अप्रूव होगा तभी वो सेल्स होगी, अदरवाइज नहीं। सो प्रोविजन फॉर बैड एंड डाउटफुल डेट्स हाउ मच, 1500, 28,500, ठीक है, clear. Now what to do, gift to wife is your drawing, we will be doing price distributed, commission paid in advance. This is what, how much commission paid in advance, it's 400. And mortgage interest, loose tools is your asset, how much, 5,000 minus depreciation 1,000, so this comes 4,000, all right. Then we have investments kitna hai, 8,500. Look for the adjustment. Do we have anything else? Remind me if we are wrong somewhere. Plant how much, 60,000, no depreciation I think. Then furniture 7,200, there was a depreciation of 800, okay. Check the calculation. Then we have leasehold property is 50,000, and patent 2,000. And very important students, suspense account. We have discussed at the time of trial balance, when your trial balance doesn't agree, so we take help of the suspense account. So they have done the same thing, okay, and they have created suspense account, and we have a suspense in the debit side. So what to do, debit side में suspense आपको create करना है, यहाँ पे लिखा है, तो debit either some expenses or your assets. So we will be writing in the asset side. Suspense account how much? It's 2,000. So next year we will be finding out the mistake and this will be cancelled automatically. Okay, it's 2018. Thank you. Okay, and finally we have closing stock also. Closing stock is 20,000 and adjustment. Yes, please. Plus 5,000. So this is 25,000 is your closing stock. And anything else? I think no. Now next we have liability side, and in the liability side we have capital first. How much capital is given? 81,000. No, let us start with the liquidity in the liquidity form. So let's take outstanding wages. Outstanding wages is 800. Then we have creditors 39,535. Then we have bank. Bank क्या है ये? It's in the credit side, students. It's not your bank account. Bank balance नहीं है ये. क्या है ये? बैंक लोन आपने लिया है. It's 12,220 and loan on mortgage. It's 16,000. Okay, and income from investment we have already done. ठीक है. Now let's have a look what other things were there of the liability. Closing हो गया आपका, ये हो गया, provisions done. General manager's commission. Manager का जो commission है we did not pay. Still it is outstanding. Okay. So your outstanding commission to the manager, that is 2,000. ठीक है. Now we'll deal with the capital. Finally, the amount of capital is given 81,800. Right? Net profit. What is the net profit? 38,000. We will add minus drawings. Gift to wife. How much is this? 2,500. Just calculate and you'll find 117,300. Is that clear? Have you understood? We have dealt with all these items, and finally you just do the total of your balance sheet, and this is, it's 1,87,855. Right, students? So that's all for today, and we have completed this chapter. So you have to practice a lot for these questions, otherwise this will take a lot of time. So you have maximum 15 minutes for this question. When you complete your complete question within 15 minutes, that means your speed is okay. Right, students? So keep practicing, and during these 3-4 holidays you must complete both the chapters, and if you have some doubt, so you can ask. Okay? Thank you.